Ever wonder your LinkedIn profile picture can do more to your career? What if I tell you that AI can turn your average profile pictures to standout professional headshots? In today's video, we are going to dive in how AI can help you create a professional LinkedIn profile picture that can help you to attract recruiters. Ready to give your profile the boost that it deserves? Let's get started. Let's dig into the step-by-step formula to take your LinkedIn profile to next level. So we'll divide this into 3 steps. Step 1 will be going to our AI image generation tool. You can just find the link to the tool below this video in the description. So once you find the link, once you click on the link, you'll find some code like this. Click on the run button and run it anyway. After it gets run, you can just click on the link. So this will be taking us to this tool which will be helping us to create a regular photo to a professional one. So here comes our second step, that is to add the reference image. Just you need to check on to this box called as input image, and here we need to choose the in paint or out paint option. Here we just need to drag and drop our image from our PC. I'm just choosing a image that is available online. So let's start drawing. So here we need to choose areas where we want to modify. So this will be our third step to generate our profile picture. So here let's choose all the areas excluding our foot, our face. So let me quickly do that. So here I'm almost done with choosing entire area except the face. So once we are done with this, let's go and describe this image. Here give the prompt, and for best results what we can do is we can just go to this advanced settings and we can choose some other options that we are having here. So you can just go and explore those options and explore with different options turned on and off. For now, let's just click on generate and let it take its own time to generate our image. You can see that this started generating and this started to adjust according to our prompt, and which looks better. And if you want to know like how to add this prompt, you can just go to any AI tool like ChatGPT or any other thing, and you can just give whatever your requirements, and you can ask it to give a better prompt to give this to this particular tool, or else you can do your prompt with your own requirements. So make it as specific as possible to get a very accurate image. And if you are having any problem with writing this prompt, you can just leave a comment so I can help you out. And here we can see that we got the images that are finished and they look absolutely professional, which you can use it on your LinkedIn. So I let's say that I like this image. So you can see original image where this person is having all the casuals, and then you can see this is the professional image that you can put on your LinkedIn. And once you like the image, you can just click on this download option to download this image to your PC. So this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.